Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do.
All right, y'all. So this is everything that I have to organize this right here. So I built this. When did I build this? A few days ago. I'm gonna try to organize it today. So I got this off of Overstock. I think I paid like $250 or $230 or something like that for this. But I really wanted it to put right here to get rid of this table. So all this I'm just gonna get rid of, well, not get rid of, but I'm just gonna move it out the way. Hopefully this piece will fit here nicely. I don't think it is, but we'll see. But this is everything that I have from the Target Dollar Spot. Everything is from the Target Dollar Spot except these two. That's from the Dollar Tree, but I just kind of went through my closet and I had all this stuff in there, so I want to see how I can utilize this to organize this. We're also going to move the junk drawer that we have in the kitchen and possibly put it up here, like the pencils and pens. Ooh, that means I need to get bins. I'll have to go back to my closet then. I'll be back. All right, so I found these in my closet. I have a bunch of these. These are from the Target Dollar Spot. So I might put these in here and store our pens and things. So I also grabbed these. So I'm going to go ahead and probably start in the bedroom before I get started on this. Just because I want to kind of process this, and as I clean, I also think about what I'm going to do next. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the bedroom, kind of tidy up that, have laundry to put up, and then we'll get back to figuring this out here. Oh, I'm also filming this on Valentine's Day, so this was here for me when I got up this morning, so just thought I'd share that. So, but let's go ahead and get into my bedroom.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, and welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So we are just doing a quick little tidy up. So I was really excited to organize a new storage unit that I purchased, but before I got to that, I wanted to make sure that everything else was kind of picked up. So the reason I do that is because I feel like before I organize something, I just don't want more of a mess, because I always seem to take out all of my storage bins, and anything that I use to organize is in my closet. So I feel like if I start taking stuff out of the closet, I just create more of a mess for myself, and I get overwhelmed. So I want to make sure, especially in my bedroom and in my bathroom, because my walk-in closet is obviously in my bathroom. So I start pulling stuff out and laying them on the floor in the bathroom, and I'll lay stuff on my bed. So I wanted to make sure that everything was tidied up, because I knew I was going to start taking out bins, because I just collect bins. I don't know. I just love storage containers, glass containers, bins, all that great stuff. But I wanted to make sure everything was nice and tidy here before I got started on my unit. And you guys, I love the way that it turned out. It has created so much more space in the kitchen, and I know it's just one door that was emptied and then a little bit of the pantry up at the top, because we put all the dog stuff in this new storage unit. But I just love the way it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get in the video.
Sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. Can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you see?
All right, y'all. So in the next few weeks, we should be getting in the sectional that we purchased back in November. Honestly, We've been looking for a sectional, but the one that we ended up buying, I personally did not like the color. My husband really wanted a sectional, and we got a pretty good deal. The guy kept lowering the price just because I kept saying no, no, no. And I guess he really wanted to make a sale that day, but I was not too happy with the color. Originally, he quoted us $3,700, and I said definitely not, especially for a couch or a sectional that the color I don't like. So he kept dropping the price. And finally, I think we ended up paying like $2,700 for this sectional and an ottoman as well. My husband had him throw this huge ottoman that honestly, I don't even know how it's going to fit in our living space. But yeah, so we're getting a sectional, and I'm probably going to have to get a new rug because you guys, I personally just don't feel like it's going to match in my space here, but we will see in the next few weeks.
All right, don't mind the noise. They are working outside in the bushes. So this fits here. The only problem is the door. So if I open the door here, it'll hit right here. So I might have to scoot it over some. It's just going to look a little off right here. So I'm not sure what to do. I'm going to go ahead and put the stuff in here and organize it, and then we'll figure out how we want this. I know I definitely want it here. I just can't put it all the way, so I don't know.
Oh, simple as I
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow.
Okay, so sorry again about the background noise. So I separated everything in these containers. So this is all from the Target dollar spot, except this is from Walmart. So here I put her hip and joint glucosamine stuff that she takes. So this is typically, I normally have this is always full. I have to order some. Then in here, I ended up putting all the medicines that she takes, and then her heartworm and stuff, and monthly stuff. And then in here, I just put treats that are in bags like this. And then these little containers have smaller treats. So I think that's all. And then of course there's her dog food that I have to put together. And then I got these baskets. I might use those too. It just depends. But now we're gonna go ahead and try to organize it all in here.
Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. For you,
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it up to the world. You got me all.
All right, y'all, so this is what I came up with. So I'm going to label this with my Cricut, but for now, this is what it looks like. We have medicine right here and her hip stuff here, treats, and then treats and treats. And then this one, I had to turn the lid over because it wouldn't fit if I have it the other way because of the top there. So I'm going to go ahead and make labels for these, put them on here, and then we can kind of organize this here, or not organize it, it is organized, but see how I'm going to place it here. It's gonna look a little awkward, but let me see what I can figure out.
Every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it up to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love.
All right, I don't know what to do. So if I put this here, it's not going to look good right here because the door won't open. So it would be like sticking out somewhere here. And so I moved it over here, but that looks awkward because we've never had anything in front of the window here except Bella's bowl or her dog stuff. So that's over there. So I don't know, you guys. And then this is also, I gotta get her collar, and then the boys have the binoculars here, then the BB gun stuff. I think this is what that is. The little thing for their little BB gun thing here. I just don't know. I don't know what to do because it looks weird right there to me because we've never had anything there. I don't know. Should I move it back over there? Should I? Oh my gosh, I have no clue.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound.
All right, so I ended up putting the binoculars in here. This little basket from the Target Dollar Spot has Bella's collar and her leash, and then the BB gun or the BB pellet things. I don't know what they're called. So that's what I did so far.
Bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
All right, y'all. So you definitely have to give me your opinion on this piece and this space here. There's definitely lots that needs to be done in the house. Lots of painting, lots and lots of painting in this house. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.